Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and today you're going to watch Baking with Charvi.
Hey everybody, today we're gonna make vanilla biscuit cake where no baking is involved. This was a recipe requested by my friend and so I thought I would share it with you all. For this you would need around 36 Mary biscuits, a large baking pan or tray, some coffee powder around 1 tablespoon or more, some water, chopped nuts and also milk made. Nuts is optional, let's start. First, take your 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and add water to it. The amount of water you add is only to make it little liquidy so that you can dip your biscuits and start placing them. Give a nice mix until the whole coffee powder mixes into the water. Mix, 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 mix. So once I have mixed everything, now we're gonna start dipping our biscuits in this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoy watching this video. Now let's start. Take your biscuit and dip it thoroughly into this mixture that you have made. Once you have dipped them, start placing them. Continue doing the same until you finish the first layer. For me, I have used around 9 biscuits for my first layer. Now this is how it will look after you have finished layering your first layer. Now since we are making a vanilla biscuit cake, we are just gonna add this plain Milkmaid, drizzle this all over the first layer. Another thing, if you want to make this into chocolate, all you have to do is take about your Milkmaid into a small bowl, how much ever quantity you want, add cocoa powder and then mix it thoroughly and you can drizzle it. This would become perfect and really yummy even in chocolate flavor. So after you have drizzled around 2 to 3 tablespoons of this Milkmaid, you're gonna add your chopped nuts. Now nuts is totally optional. You can also add anything else like sprinkles or chocolate chips, or if you would like any other funfetti or anything that you would like to put into this. And we are using Milkmaid for this sweetness in this, so that because you have dipped your biscuits in coffee, the cake wouldn't become bitter. Now let's add our nuts. And nuts are very nutritious and very healthy, and I am a nutty person. I really like nuts, so I have added almonds and cashew nuts and also a little bit raisins. All of them are finely chopped. So I have added all this and we have completed the first layer. Now repeat the same process to your second layer. If you want to make this into a triple layer cake or with different flavors of layering, what you can do is, now at this point you can also do another thing. Instead of adding the second layer with plain Milkmaid, you can also add the chocolate one as I have told you before, and then add your nuts. So now as you're dipping your biscuits into the coffee powder, you may run out of it. No problem, don't worry, you can use more coffee powder. Again dilute it with little bit of water and continue doing your process. Now I have done around 3 to 4 layers. It depends on the width of your pan that you're taking or the tray that you're taking, and it should be little low like this so that you are able to put all these into them. So putting 3 to 4 layers, this is how my pan looked, and now you're going to refrigerate this for around 1 to 2 hours for the biscuit to soften and easy for you to cut and serve. Now you can add even more layers and even more topping once you have reached the last layer or you feel that is enough. Here is the end product. This tasted very yummy and it only lasted 2 days for me because I am a very big fan of this recipe. Make sure to try this recipe and check out the description box for the ingredients, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.